Hello everyone, I am Suman from PCS Global Team 17. In this video, we will explore all about Java class and object along with examples. In Java, all features, attributes, methods are linked to classes and objects. The entire OOP methodology has been derived from a single root concept called object. On the other hand, a class is a model for creating objects. Every object has properties and can perform certain actions, where the properties and actions of the objects are written in the class. This is the syntax to declare a class. If you noticed over here, you can see a class contains variables and methods. Properties are represented by variables and actions of the objects are represented by methods. First of all, we are going to see how we can define a class. After that, we will define the attributes or the data fields of the class. And finally, we will define the methods or the actions. We can have multiple classes in different Java files or single Java file. In real-time development, we create classes and use it from another class. Let's see a simple example where we are having main method in oops class. Let's defining a candidate class here. Here we are going to create a candidate class. So the first step to create the class is to actually define the candidate class. So have a look over here. The class keyword is used to declare a class. After that, we should write the class name candidate. Here I am using the Pascal naming convention. So the first letter of each word should be a capital letter. As you can see, we have this block of code. Inside this block of code, we will define the attributes and the method of the candidate class. The next step is to define the attributes of this class. Here I am declaring three variables. Company and name are the string type variables and team is the integer type. We are simply defining three variables and these are the attributes. So have a look over here. As you can see, these variables are declared directly inside the class but outside the method. That is why these variables are instance variable. Instance variable doesn't get memory at compile time. It gets memory at runtime when an object or instance is created. Now let's define the methods of this class. A method must be declared within a class. It is defined with the name of the method followed by parentheses. Now let's explain this example. Public. Public is access modifier. Void is the return type of the method. Void means that this method doesn't have a return value. GetInfo is the name of the method. System.out.println is the predefined method of Java. It is used to print an argument that is first to it. And as you can see over here, I am using the variables company, name and team. These are the attributes inside the class and here I am using this keyword. In Java, this is a reference variable that refers to the current object. It can be used to refer current class instance variable. So a class is like an object constructor. Now we can create the object inside the main method. In order to use the candidate class and its method, we need to create an object of the candidate class. Now let's create the object inside the main method. By using the new keyword, we create an object with the name C1. When an object is created using a new keyword, then space is allocated for the variable in a heap and the starting address is stored in the stack memory. Then we call the property on the S1 object by using dot. The dot is used to access the object's property and now we have to assign the value. And finally, we are displaying the state or data of the object by invoking the getInfo method. Similarly, we can create C2 and C3 object by using the same method. And now we can run the program. Yes, our program has executed. So hopefully this gives you a better idea of what classes and objects are.